Hi, I'm Mike from Craft Supplies USA, and today I'm going to show you the setup and use of the Vicmarc wheel set and lathe lifter. The system comes with three parts. You have the wheels, the spacers, and the lathe lifter. That's all you need to move a 700-pound machine around your shop. Let's get this table out of the way, and I'll show you how easy it is to set up the wheel set. The first step when using the wheel system is raising the lifter kit to the second step. When it's shipped, it's on the very first step here. You're going to want to raise that and make sure the bolts are tightened. The next step is to get our spacer bracket pieces and install those into the slots in the wheel set. Snap those into place. There's two different slot positions depending on the width of your foot, but for these narrower feet on the newer lathes, you were going to run on the inside steps. Get your second set of spacers. Press those into place. And now the wheel set's ready to be used. Position your wheels so that you have the vertical bracket on the outside of each side of the lathe. Then we'll take our lathe lifter and raise the handle and make sure that this flat face is going to be contacting the underside of the lathe. So rotate that flat, get that right in the center, as close to the end as you can underneath the lathe. That way you're raising up from the farthest point on the lathe, and then you can just raise the lathe up. Make sure that the lathe lifter is all the way completely flat on the floor, and if you need to or you're worried about this flipping up, you can always put some weight on top of the bar. Next thing you need to do is slide the wheels over the feet, and once those are in place, then you can slowly lower the lathe onto the wheel set. And then you can take away your lathe lifter. Now for the tailstock end of the lathe, repeat the same steps that we did on the headstock. You can lift up the lathe, slide on your wheels, and then gently lower the lathe. Now your lathe will be ready to move free about your shop. The heavy-duty wheel set and heavy-duty wheels make rolling over shavings or small cracks in your floor very easy. One nice thing about the wheel set is it comes with two fixed wheels and two rotating wheels. That way you can steer the lathe into place. Just make sure that the fixed wheels or the articulating wheels are on the same end of the lathe. Just a quick safety note. The wheel set is designed for storage and moving only. Don't turn with the wheel set on, as you could get hurt. I really think this heavy-duty wheel set is a great addition to the Vicmarc range and could be a real great asset in your shop. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or reach out to us directly. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.